It's craft time. What's up, all of my craft guys and gals out there? Now, if you love to craft, then you must love the Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree has some amazing craft items. And your girl just went to the Dollar Tree, so I want to show y'all my Dollar Tree craft haul, and I promise to come and give y'all more videos. In case you didn't know, your girl is a 10-time YouTube channel creator, so I am working on 10 channels at one time, and I apologize if I don't get back in time enough, but I promise you I'm gonna make it a priority. Oh, ladies, oh my goodness, I love these candles. These are the Zen White Ginger and Amber candles from the Dollar Tree. They smell so good. My daughter is working on a custom cup for me, and she's going to be blinging it out with the letters BML. And this is our craft section, and she's in here working on a custom snapback. Is this a snapback? Yeah. Ow. She's working on a blinged out snapback. You can follow my daughter. She's a teen crafty girl at Kicking It with Joe. I'm going to link her down below. You got a teen out there and they like to have fun. They like to craft. And my baby, she is sinking some funds. If you want to follow a teenager that is sinking her funds with her cash envelope savings system, follow my girl down below. Okay, babies, let me show y'all what we got. Look at this. How beautiful. Look at this beautiful wine glass. Happiness is homemade. I am so excited about this glass because I love wine, and you know your girl is a homemade girl. I love to DIY and craft some things. I'm actually going to use this for one of my channels, Nails and Cocktails. Yes, ladies, I love press on nails. If you follow any of my channels, you will see my nails everywhere, and I love to create and customize my own DIY nails. So on my channel, Nails and Cocktails, I'm going to show you how to create your own DIY custom press on nails, girl. 20-cent press on nail sets, $1 press on nail sets, 50-cent press on nail sets. Yes, 10 nails, girl, 20 cents, all customized. So I'm going to use this for that. And I got another one. Look at these. Look at both of those. How cute are these? I got my hair everywhere. Look at this. Happiness is homemade. I think these are beautiful if you're having like a summer party or you're having a house party. These are so cute. You can make cute little homemade cocktails. I love it. $1, boo-boo. Now, let me show y'all what else we got. Your girl got some highlighters because all crafty babes need highlighters. I got these cute little gold. Look at that. Goal getter. And I am a goal getter this year. I am on a mission to monetize these YouTube channels, okay? But not just that, I'm on a mission to make profit and income from my small businesses, as well as, you know, make some money and multiply my money by investing. So if you want to follow my Murney, look at me, Murney, trying to run it all together. If you want to follow my money journey this year and my investing journey, follow me over at Bernetta Madison Living, and I'm going to link that down below. These are so cute, babe. $1. I think I'm going to go back and get some more. What else I got? Oh, I got these cute little sticky notes in 4 different colors because I am doing the cash envelopes sinking funds system to manage our money a little bit better this year. And I'm going to use these little notes for when I do my cash stuff. All right, what else we got? Oh my goodness, your girl loves notebooks. So look at this cute little skater girl notebook. This is for my little JoJo. Well, she ain't little. She's 13, about to be the big 14. And she loves skates, and she's a homeschool girl, so she needs another composition notebook. So I got her this cute notebook, babes, with the skater on it, with the skate 1.5, and it's cute. Look at how cute that is. I love it. $1. And I got me this cute little notebook, and it says, "You glow, girl." You know why? Because all of this melanin and this black girl be popping and glowing. And if you're a white girl, you can glow too. Get your glow on, baby. $1. I love it. I'm going to decorate this. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm going to decorate this with. Oh my goodness. How many of y'all love the craft square at the Dollar Tree? Raise your hand like we in high school. Me, my hand is raised. Look at the beautiful little Starburst gemstones right here. I'm going to use these for press-on nails. These are the black and white babes. They are gorgeous. So your girl got like 4 packs of the black and whites. Actually, my JoJo likes black. She's a goth girl. She loves the dark. But I like it too. And I'm going to let her make me some custom nails with those. I love these. Starburst Gym Stickers. Babes, look at these. Look at these Starburst Gym Stickers. Is this not cute for your little unicorn or your mermaid or your little girl who loves colors and jewels and diamonds and glitter? These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to use these on nails and cocktails. I'm going to list the channel down below. I am getting some videos uploaded. We're going to make some custom nails, and I'm going to show you how to make 31 days of nails. Yes, we're going to make a different set of nails every day. Are there 31 days in March? I think so. We're going to do nails and cocktails, 31 days of nails. Starting in March, oh my goodness, I am committing to something, but I'm going to do this. 31 days of nails, and I'm going to use these beauty babes right here. These are so freaking gorgeous. $1 at the Dollar Tree, babes. Stock up. And last but not least, I am so excited about these. Oh my goodness. Look at these, babes. Look at these cute big butterflies. Oh my goodness. If you have a daughter, she's going to love these. If you have a teen and she's that girly girl and she likes to decorate, these are so cute. These can go on her notebooks. These can go around the wall. I love these. I'm going to use them for notebooks. And this is the only color that they have, but they are so gorgeous. So I'm thinking about maybe putting them on this You Glow Girl notebook and jazzing it up a little bit, but I'm definitely gonna use these for some sort of craft. It is your girl Bernetta, and this is just my small craft haul from the Dollar Tree today. I want y'all to get out to the Dollar Tree and find you some amazing crafts. Why, boo? Because they are only $1. Yes. Don't forget to hit that like button, babes. If you are a craft girl, share this video, like this video, subscribe. Only subscribe if you like this ish and you like what I'm bringing you. I love you, babes. Get out and craft today. Bye.